Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your tax savings with TurboTax step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents. Collect your W-2s, 1099s, and any other income statements. Make sure to have receipts for deductible expenses. Log into your TurboTax account or create a new one. Choose the right TurboTax product for your filing needs. Select if you want to file for yourself or get help from a tax professional. Start a new return to begin the process. Answer the prompts to input your personal information. Enter your income details from your collected documents. Use the import feature for W-2s and 1099s if available. Proceed to the deductions section to maximize your tax savings. Input any qualifying expenses, such as medical costs or education expenses. Utilize TurboTax's deduction finder to uncover potential savings. Review additional tax credits you may qualify for. Ensure to fill out the section for any self-employed income or side gigs. Consider inputting charitable donations and mortgage interest. Double-check all inputs for accuracy as you progress. Use any specific features TurboTax offers for real estate or investments. Explore the option to itemize versus taking the standard deduction. Review the summary provided by TurboTax for a clear overview of your return. Make adjustments if needed based on what you see in the summary. Consider using the Tax Tools tab for additional tips and tricks. Once satisfied, proceed to the filing section. Choose whether to file electronically or by mail. If filing electronically, select your payment method for any tax due. Finalize your return, ensuring all information is complete. Submit your return and save a copy for your records. Monitor the status of your return through your TurboTax account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.